This video guide is dedicated to help you get rid of the ransomware called Agvv. This is ransomware that belongs to the DJVU ransomware family. My video, however, is solely for the educational purposes. Of course, I'm not related to this ransomware and I'm not promoting this ransomware. In the video, I will simply show you the negative impact of this ransomware on the files. So before the ransomware attack, we did not have any troubles opening file types of any kind: pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, all other data. But sadly, because of certain leaks in the security of the specific computer, because of some outdated antivirus databases, this Agvv ransomware may be easily injected into the computer. By the way, this ransomware is called Agvv because it encrypts files and appends this Agvv extension additionally to the file names. So it is not possible to use the files anymore with this Agvv additionally appended extension. Then the ransomware tells its victims that they need to pay a certain ransom for file recovery. However, paying the ransom is definitely not a good idea. This doesn't guarantee the file recovery if you pay the ransom, so don't waste your money. Don't pay the ransom. I recommend that you research your computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus, and you may get it on the page combocleaner.com. Download it, install it, and then after the program is successfully installed, start researching your computer with its help. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will immediately begin scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. Combo Cleaner has got an excellent anti-ransomware feature, allowing you to add one or several folders that will always be protected against ransomware attacks. This feature, anti-ransomware, however, does not decrypt files. It helps to remove this ransomware. It protects the data, but it does not decrypt files. At the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of threats. You will be able to know their exact locations on the computer. We recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium, which will help you to always get your data protected. And speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your data.